Today's question is simple but interesting. Bakit kaya maraming Filipino names ang tunog biblical? Names like Maria, Jose, Gabriel, Joshua, and Ildefonso. Let's talk about the reason behind it. During the Spanish colonization, Christianity became a major influence in the Philippines. At the time, many Filipino were baptized into the Catholic faith, and although hindi naman required by law, it became a very common practice for priests and families to choose Christian names, usually galing sa Bible or names of saints. Isa pa, popular noon ang pagpili ng pangalan base sa feast day ng isang santo, kung sinong saint ang may celebration on the day of the child's birth or baptism. Madalas doon kinukuha ang pangalan, kaya ang mga pangalang tulad ng Maria, Ildefonso, Juan, Santiago, Miguel at Gabriel ay naging bahagi ng ating identity for generation. Dahil tumagal ang tradisyong ito, naipasa siya hanggang ngayon. Even modern Filipino names still carry strong biblical influence, showing how deeply Christianity shaped Filipino culture. So that's why many Filipino name sounds biblical. Our name reflect our history, our faith, and our cultural roots. Thank you for watching!